I have this very pristine, very beautiful 1981 Mercury Cougar XR7 with original 35,000 miles. So since I've owned it for the past 3 years, I've barely put 2,000 miles on it. So when I purchased it, it had 33,000 miles. But I bought it in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's lived there all its life, but it was built here in Ohio at the Marine plant. Show you what it's got. It's white. It's a half vinyl top. Red interior. Split bucket seats. Roll down windows. It doesn't have anything too special at all. It's got the rear window defroster in the back. It's got the map light system, AM FM stereo cassette, AC, and a clock, analog clock. There you go. It's got about 35,532 miles on it. Pretty clean out. That. It's hard to find any car 1980 through 82, any one of these Fox body cars, whether it's Ford Thunderbird or Mercury Cougar XR7. Hard to find them in really good pristine conditions. People just started throwing these away. There's not very many of them around. Let's open the trunk. Trunk's cavernous. I could fit like 2 bodies. I'd say 2 bodies there. Yeah. I'll show you the engine, but not right now. Next time I'll show you the engine. Okay. But anyhow, that's my 81 Mercury Cougar XR7. You know, it's either people loved it or they hated it. Actually, it was pretty hated when they came out in 80. This is the 5th generation for the Cougar, and people just didn't like it. They just wanted the 1979s back, and there you go.